You've heard the jokes. Don't skip leg day. But let's be honest, you don't skip leg day. You squat, you lunge, and you deadlift. Yet every time you look in the mirror, your lower legs look like two toothpicks stuck into a pair of sneakers. It's frustrating, right? You feel like it's just bad genetics. You've tried the standard calf raises, but nothing happens. Well, what if I told you that the reason your calves aren't growing isn't your DNA, it's your mechanics? Most people train calves like an afterthought, using 10% of the muscle's actual potential. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the 3 secret home exercises that professional bodybuilders and dancers use to force their calves to grow, even without a gym. By the end of this video, you won't just have a workout. You'll have the biological blueprint to turn those calves into cows. Stick around, because the third exercise is something 99% of people have never even heard of. Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into the movements, we need to address the elephant in the room. Why are calves so hard to build? To fix them, you have to understand the gastrocnemius and the soleus. The gastrocnemius. This is the diamond shape you see on the back of the leg. It's primarily fast twitch and crosses the knee joint. The soleus. This lies underneath. It's mostly slow twitch and is responsible for that width when looking at your legs from the front or side. The secret isn't just doing more reps. It's about time under tension and range of motion. Your calves are used to carrying your body weight all day. They are incredibly efficient. To make them grow, we have to make things inefficient. Our first exercise is the deficit single leg isometric hold. Standard calf raises fail because people bounce. They use the Achilles tendon like a spring. To kill that spring and force the muscle to work, we use isometrics. How to do it? Find a staircase or a thick book. Stand on one leg with your heel hanging off the edge. The secret sauce: drop your heel as low as it can go. Hold that deep stretch for 3 full seconds. Explode up to the top. Then hold the peak contraction for 2 seconds. Lower slowly over a 4-second count. Why does this work? By holding the stretch at the bottom, you dissipate the elastic energy in your tendon. This forces the muscle fibers of the gastrocnemius to do 100% of the lifting. Pro tip: do this barefoot. Using shoes with thick soles absorbs the force we want your muscles to handle. Do 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps per leg. Your legs will be shaking by set 2. Remember how I mentioned the soleus? This muscle is often ignored because it's tucked away. But here's the trick. The gastrocnemius is mostly inactive when your knees are bent. So, if you want to target the muscle that gives your leg thickness, you must train while seated. The home setup: since we don't have a seated calf machine, grab a heavy backpack filled with books or 2 5-gallon water jugs. Place them directly on your knees while sitting on a firm chair. The execution: place the balls of your feet on a slight elevation like a piece of wood or a thick book. Perform your raises, but keep the tempo high. Because the soleus is slow twitch dominant, it responds better to high volume. Aim for the burn. Don't stop at 10 reps. Aim for 25 to 30 reps per set. You want to reach a point where you feel like you can't possibly lift your toes again. This metabolic stress is what triggers the soleus to thicken, pushing the outer muscle out and making your legs look much wider. Now for the exercise almost everyone misses: the tibialis raise. Look at your leg in the mirror. The calf is in the back, but what's in the front? The tibialis anterior. If this muscle is flat, your lower leg will always look thin, no matter how big your calves are. Building the tibialis creates that 3D wraparound look. The execution: stand with your back against a wall and your feet about 12 inches away from the base. Keeping your legs straight, pull your toes up toward your shins as high as possible. Flex hard at the top, then slowly lower back down. This doesn't just make your legs look bigger, it also protects your knees and shins. If you've ever suffered from shin splints, this is your cure. Perform 3 sets of 20 reps. The pump in the front of your leg will be unlike anything you felt before. Knowing the exercises is only half the battle. Here is your home calf growth protocol. Frequency: train calves 3 times a week. They recover fast. The routine: deficit single leg raises. 4 sets x 12 reps, slow tempo, seated soleus. Pulses: 4 sets x 25 reps, high volume tibialis wall leans. 3 sets x 20 reps progression. Every week, try to add 1 more rep or a little more weight to your backpack. Consistency is key. You can't do this for 1 week and expect miracles. Give it 6 weeks of dedicated effort and you will see a difference in how your jeans fit. If you're tired of having chicken legs and you're ready to put in the work, drop a calves in the comments below so I know who's committed to the 6-week challenge. Don't let your genetics be an excuse. Use these 3 secret home exercises to build the foundation you've always wanted. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more people struggling with the same issues. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because in our next video, I'm showing you how to build a massive chest using nothing but a pair of chairs. I'm Fit Beacon, and I'll see you in the next one. Now, go get to work.